first graders. All right, we're going to do foundations. Are you ready? We're going to warm up. We're going to warm up with our little letter cards. Here we go. Wa. Ba. Oo. Ah. Ja. D. E. G. Ya. Qua. I. Ah. All right, now first graders, we're going to do our vowel chart. Are you ready? Get your finger ready. Apple. E. Ed. I. Itch. O. Octopus. U. Good job, first graders. Don't forget those are called vowels. Those are short vowels. All right, we're going to review some tricky sounds. Are you ready? All right. Y, yellow, ya. I do, then you do. Okay, that's your turn. Remember, I do, you do. You, up, CH, chin, sh. J, jug, ja. A, apple, ah. Don't forget, that's a vowel. Who is the digraph? CH, thumb, B, bat, B. Here's another vowel. I, itch, I. L, lamp, O. Here's another digraph. SH, ship, sh. Don't forget, I do, you do. E, ed, eh. S, snake, s. CK, sock, k. O, octopus, ah. WH, whistle, w. All right, we're going to talk about bonus letters. Why do we need a bonus letter? All right, let's look. We have the word miss. Ooh, we have this fancy thing at the end. We have this star above this S, and we have two S's. Let's find out why we need a bonus letter. We need bonus letters when it follows a short vowel. So you add an extra F, L, or S when it follows the short vowel at the end of the word. We use a star on the bonus letter. Let's look at this first word. Let's tap it out. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Mess. Oh, look, we have an S at the end, so we put an extra letter. We put a bonus letter, and then we marked it with a star. All right, let's do the next one. Ah. Oh, look, we have the F. It's a bonus letter. We're going to mark it with a star. Here's the next word. Ch. I. O. Chill. There's our bonus letter, that L. Put the star above the extra bonus letter. Ah. Toss. There's an S. It's an extra letter, so we're going to put a star above the S. Good job. All right, I'm going to teach you our trick words for today. Are you ready? Your first trick word is you. Now you say it. All right, let's spell it in the air. Are you ready? Y-O-U. You. Tell it to the person you're working with what word that word is. That word is what? You. All right, one more. This trick word is your. And say your. Tell it to the person you're working with. All right, let's spell it in the air. Are you ready? Y-O-U-R. Your. Don't forget, trick words are words that you can't tap out. These are ones that we have to learn and memorize in our brain. All right. Now I need some help. I need some help finding the trick words in the sentences that we have. All right, let's read this first one. You guys put your finger on it. Here we go. Can you help Bill? Oh, I see a capital at the beginning. I see finger spaces. And I see a punctuation mark at the end. This is an awesome sentence. All right, what is the trick word in this sentence? If you said you are correct. All right, let's do the next one. Let's read it. Put your finger on it. Is this your dog? All right, I see a capital at the beginning. I see a punctuation mark at the end. And I see finger spaces. This is an awesome sentence. All right, let's find the trick word. I need you guys to be trick word detectives and find it. All right. If you said you're right. And I circled it. All right, guys, now we're going to practice. You guys need your dry erase boards. I'm going to get mine. I have mine. I have my fancy board with my skyline, my plane line, my grass line, and my worm line. All right. We're going to practice writing some words first to see if you guys remember the bonus letters. I'm going to flip to this side first. Okay, the first word we're going to practice is fill. Let's tap it out. Ready? Get your tappers ready. I-O. Fill. All right, let's write it. The first sound is F. The next sound is I. O. Last sound is L. Oh, there's that bonus letter. So I need to add another L because this is a short I. I marked the short I with a breve. So I have I-O. Fill. All right, I'm going to mark my bonus letter. I'm going to put a star above the L. This word was fill. All right, here's our next one. The next word we're going to do is huff. Are you ready? Let's tap it out. Huff. All right, let's get ready to write it. The first sound that I hear in puff is puff, puff, puff. And this is a worm line letter. Go down to the worm line, right up P. That is a short U. And then I have, which is the letter F. Uh-oh, there's a bonus letter, so I need to add another F. Now I have the word huff. Now I'm going to mark it. The short vowel with a breve. I'm going to mark the F, the bonus letter. I'm going to mark it with a star. All right, one last word. The last word we're going to do is toss. All right, let's tap it out. Toss. All right, start with the T. Oh, there's a bonus letter, so I need another S. Okay, how do I mark this? This is a short vowel, so I put a brief above the short vowel. And I mark the bonus letter with the star. So I have the word toss. All right, let's do a sentence. I'm going to flip my board around. Remember, when we write a sentence, we start with a capital letter at the end, or the beginning. We start a punctuation mark at the end, and we got to make sure we have finger spaces. All right, here's my sentence. I will huff and puff up the big hill. Okay, so we're going to start with a capital I. I will. Oh, I see a bonus letter. Huff. Huff. Oh, and here's another bonus letter. And puff. Oh, there's another bonus letter. Up. U-P. The big hill. Alright, now I gotta find my trick words. I'm gonna circle them. I see the trick word I see the trick word and. I see the trick word the. I also see some bonus letters I could mark. I could mark the F on huff. I could mark the F on puff. And I could mark the L on hill. Very good. Nice job, first graders. Give yourself a pat on the back.